everyone, and welcome once again back to my channel today. Okay, so for this magic trick we're going to be doing another simple magic trick like you will find most of my magic tricks. So let's get straight into this video. Nothing ready for me to say, so yeah, let's start off. I'm going to go straight into an explanation for this magic trick, and first I'm just going to talk to you a bit about what this trick is. So this trick, it is a very simple magic trick. Once again, I would say it requires no setup, and well, in the deck there will be one face up card, which will be the spectator's card. So let's get straight into it. So first you want to start off by getting your spectator to pick any card he likes, okay? So this time, as it's an explanation, I will know the card. And this card is the Three of Clubs. It's the Three of Clubs. So we need to remember the Three of Clubs. I'm going to place it just there. And in camera, behind your back, whilst your spectator is focusing on the card, you turn the back card upside down to make it look like this side is actually the front side and that's the back side, which is why you don't tell your spectator, or you don't show your spectator the other side, otherwise that will make him suspicious. Okay, so anyway, now you want to get your spectator's card, which once again, just a little reminder, it is the Three of Clubs, okay? And you want to place it, tell your spectator you're placing it somewhere random in the deck, where you actually are, but you're placing it the wrong way, okay? And then again, behind your back, you will fix what you did. Okay, so behind your back, you'll turn this card back over to make the spectator's card the only card that is faced the wrong way round. Okay, and then what you can do a few shuffles, do anything you like. But yes, after that, I suppose there's nothing much you can do. I did one shuffle there, but you can do multiple. So yes, it doesn't really matter. You can do how many you like. So yeah, you can do carts, you can do riffle shuffles, it doesn't matter. But anyway, then you can scroll through the deck and you can find that, and actually here, the Three of Clubs is the first card here, the Three of Clubs, that was turned over like that. Okay guys, so that's the magic trick, and sometimes it can be at the top, like what happened, or it can be somewhere random in the deck, like that. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and follow me to victory. So, I hope you guys enjoyed, and goodbye, peace out, bye-bye.